morning, babes. Today we're slowing down and welcoming autumn into our homes. Happy autumn, everyone. Starting my morning the only way I know how this time of the year, lighting a candle, pouring my coffee, sometimes apple cider, most of the time, and letting the sunlight spill into the house. There's just something about a slow mornings that feels, I don't know, feels like a gift a little bit. After dropping off the kids at school, I took a few minutes to reset the kitchen, just loading the dishwasher, washing a few things by hand, wiping down the counters, and fixing the mugs my kids love to rearrange. It doesn't have to be perfect, but it feels so good when it's fresh again. I always feel like once the sink is clean, the whole kitchen feels clean. Do you all feel the same way? Or is there another spot in your house that makes the biggest difference? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear from you all. headed to the store looking for those tomatoes, but no luck. They were way too ripe, and I've learned the hard way that bad tomatoes make bad soup. So I picked up everything else I needed, the onions, the garlic, peppers, and herbs, and I decided I'd find better tomatoes later. And they didn't even have my heirloom tomatoes, so it was time to go. Later that evening, with hectic traffic, we arrived at the football game, and my daughter's drill team killed it. These are the moments that remind me why I love capturing life. It's the little memories in between the big ones, you know? The next day, I started a fall simmer pot with pears, apples, rosemary, oranges, cloves, and cinnamon, and a little bit of vanilla extract. It filled the whole house with the coziest smell, like autumn had officially moved in. When it was time to style the sideboard, I added my new lamp, a vase from Home Goods, the rib candle holders from Hobby Lobby, the baskets I got a year ago, the books that are my favorite, and the most gorgeous magnolia maple branches I have ever seen. They look so realistic. This brass bowl, I even tucked in a little pomegranate that I absolutely love, but I can't decide if it should stay or if the pumpkin would be better. You'll have to tell me, what do you think? I wanted something different in this bowl, so I've collected these white geo crystals for a while now since I walked into RH and seen the big ones sitting on the coffee tables. So I thought, why not add something different here? And I placed those right into that bowl. We have our tomatoes. Boop. I have a few of them, different kind. Look, oh, they're just so cute in the oven. My kids done bruised them. Along with me getting the tomatoes, I did stop at Home Goods and I found my bats. Y'all know how much I love my bats, but I cannot stand the adhesive. I cannot stand putting it on the walls or my mirrors, but I did find these. So I bought two of them. I've been looking for these for about, what, 2 years? I really wanted like the rattan or woven, I don't know how they look actually, but I wanted those. But I have my metal ones. I got my candle. Of course, I lit it already without you all. I'm sorry. But I wanted to smell it. I was so excited when I got home. I needed to know how it smelled, what would be the aroma in the house, and it smells so good. Go get one. They're from Home Goods. So if you guys are new here, I am a gold girl. I love my golds, okay? Look at it. Look at the detail in it. I love it. I paired it with a gold mirror and it looks so pretty. Now, I'm gonna put a little fall picture in here of my kids, probably apple picking or something like that. But this is so cute. It's giving a luxury and I really like it.
And I'm like, I was looking, I'm like, I'm a gold girly. If you guys are new here, I'm a gold girly. And I'm like, would that be wrong if I bring it in my house and mix it? Like, later my hand was on my mouth like this. Will that be wrong? I am so sorry. The lawn guy just arrived.
I also picked up a few other things like this swan from Hobby Lobby I've been looking all over for, this wax realistic candle I can't wait to put batteries in, this pumpkin mine broke last year and I thought it would be the same and unfortunately it's not. Still brown and it is adorable. Also found this glass honey canister. I don't know if it's called a canister, but anyway, it's so fragile and I am a little iffy about putting it on my countertops, but it was so cute I had to bring it home. This glass candy jar. I've been looking to thrift one of these and I just went into Home Goods and there she was. I'm gonna put some type of candy in it. My mom wants to put candy corn in it, but whatever. I found a soup pot and this nostalgic rocking horse, and we will be styling it for Christmas. I am too excited. Just don't tell my husband. Finally, I got to make my roasted tomato basil soup with grilled cheese. I roasted everything with herbs, olive oil, and garlic, blended it smooth, and finished it with a heavy whipping cream. What was I going to say? Cozy and exactly what I was craving.
Beneath the starlit sky, our love's secret line, like leaves we soar so high. Beneath the moonlight, the soft touch your hand in mine gets me every time. Lost in the city lights, our love's electric ride. You make me feel alive.
If you enjoyed hanging with me, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, babe. I love sharing these moments with you, and there's so much more cozy to come.
Leaves change color, I dive into you when summer's fading. There's nothing to do but bask in the glory of the winter sun. Maybe this is the season of love. Beneath an endless night, the world spins around. You're there, ease my mind. Like stars that never
And to end the day, a candlelit bath with salt and rose oil. My favorite bath pillow and quiet. This is how I recharge, how I slow down, how I say hello to autumn. Thank you, babes, for spending this cozy fall day with me. I can't wait to share more with you this season. Until next time, I love you all so much. Bye.
This is the season of love. As the leaves change color.